In today's clip we will talk, I will show you, present, prove, and many other details, information about top 100 best songs of the century. According to Rolling Stone Video, U.S. magazine Rolling Stone published in its July issue a list of the 100 best songs of the 21st century, following a survey of artists, music critics and industry professionals to outline the defining moments of an era. On the first place in the top 100 is the song, Crazy in Love, the song from the debut solo album of the singer Beyonce, released in 2003, on which she collaborated with her husband Jay-Z. In second place came the hip-hop song, Paper Planes, by the singer M.I. released in 2007, followed by Seven Nation Army, from the White Stripes, 2003, according to the Rolling Stone list. Rolling Stone magazine writes that in the 2000s, an incredible amount of music was produced and we were lucky enough to witness the beginning of the careers of stars such as Beyonce, Drake, Jack White or Adele, but also the brilliance of already established stars, such as Beck, Outkast or U2. Among the songs on the first places are also 99 Problems, Jay-Z, 5th place, Runaway, Kanye West feat. Pusha T, 7th place, Rolling in the Deep, Adele, 8th place, Toxic, Britney Spears, 14th place, Rehab, Amy Winehouse, 20th place, and Bad Romance, Lady Gaga, 21st place. The prestigious top also includes Latin American rhythms, from which Despacito, 91st place, could not be missing, the phenomenal song performed by Luis Fonsi with his Puerto Rican compatriot Daddy Yankee, which broke records in 2017. The chosen version is the remix made in collaboration with Justin Bieber. Daddy Yankee is also included in the top 100 with the song, Gasolina, which the American magazine considers a turning point in the rise of the reggaeton genre in world music. The 100 greatest songs of the 21st century, so far, by Rolling Stone. 1. Beyonce and Jay-Z, Crazy in Love. 2. M.I.A. Paper Planes. 3. The White Stripes, Seven Nation Army. 4. Outkast, Hey Ya. 5. Jay-Z, 99 Problems. 6. Yeah Yeah Yeezy, Maps. 7. Kanye West, Runaway. 8. Adele, Rolling in the Deep. 9. Lords, Royals. 10. The Strokes, Last Night. 11. Kelly Clarkson, Since You've Been Gone. 12. Missy Elliott, Get Her Freak On. 13. Kendrick Lamar, Alright. 14. Britney Spears, Toxic. 15. Gnarls Barkley, Crazy. 16. LCD Sound System, All My Friends. 17. Missy Elliott, Work It. 18. David Bowie, Black Star. 19. Robin, Dancing on My Own. 20. Amy Winehouse, Rehab. 21. Lady Gaga, Bad Romance. 22. Franz Ferdinand, Take Me Out. 23. Outkast, Ms. Jackson. 24. Eminem, Lose Yourself. 25. Mark Ronson and Bruno Mars, Uptown Funk. 26. Drake, Hotline Bling. 27. Outkast, B.O.B. 28. Rihanna feat. Jay-Z, Umbrella. 29. Taylor Swift, All Too Well. 30. Bob Dylan, Mississippi. 31. Arcade Fire, Wake Up. 32. 50 Cent, In Da Club. 33. Radiohead, Idiotech. 34. The Killers, Mr. Brightside. 35. Lana Del Rey, Blue Jeans. 36. Kanye West feat. Jamie Foxx, Gold Digger. 37. Leonard Cohen, You Want It Darker. 38. Beyonce, Formation. 39. Queens of the Stone Age, No One Knows. 40. U2, Beautiful Day. 41. Johnny Cash, Hurt, 9 Inch Nails cover. 42. MGMT, Electric Feel. 43. Solange, Cranes in the Sky. 44. Eminem, Stan. 45. Justin Bieber, Sorry. 46. Justin Timberlake, Cry Me a River. 47. Childish Gambino, Redbone. 48. Pharrell Williams, Happy. 49. Harry Styles, Sign of the Times. 50. Coldplay, The Scientist. 51. Beyonce, Single Ladies, Put a Ring on It. 52. Sia, Chandelier. 53. Grimes, Oblivion. 54. Relo Kiley, Portions for Foxes. 55. Azealia Banks feat. Lazy J, 212. 56. Radiohead, Weird Fishes, Arpeggi. 57. The Flaming Lips, Do You Realize? 58. Jay-Z and Kanye West, Born in Paris. 59. Cardi B, Bodak Yellow. 60. Time, The Wire. 61. Madonna, Hung Up. 62. Katy Perry, Teenage Dream. 63. Fall Out Boy, Sugar, We're Going Down. 64. Kendrick Lamar, Deanna. 65. Rihanna feat. Calvin Harris, We Found Love. 66. Nicki Minaj feat. 2 Chainz, Bees in the Trap. 67. T.I., What You Know. 68. Eric Church, Springsteen. 69. Frank Ocean, Thinkin' About You. 70. Green Day, American Idiot. 71. Carly Rae Jepsen, Call Me Maybe. 72. Migos, Bad and Bougie. 73. The Rapture, House of Jealous Lovers. 74. The New Pornographers, Letter from an Occupant. 75. Miranda Lambert, The House That Built Me. 76. Daft Punk feat. Pharrell Williams, Get Lucky. 77. LCD Sound System, Losing My Edge. 78. Peter Bjorn and John, Young Folks. 79. Snoop Dogg feat. Pharrell, Drop It Like It's Hot. 80. M.O.P., Ante Up, Robin Hood's Theory. 81. Gwen Stefani, Hollaback Girl. 82. The Shins, New Slang. 83. Beck, Lost Cause. 84. Daft Punk, One More Time. 85. Original Broadway cast of Hamilton, My Shot. 86. Pop icon W, Charlie XCX, I Love It. 87. Mariah Carey, We Belong Together. 88. Vampire Weekend, Hannah Hunt. 89. The Hives, Hate to Say I Told You So. 90. Amiri, One Thing. 91. Luis Fonsi feat. Daddy Yankee and Justin Bieber, Despacito, Remix. 92. Parquet Courts, Stoned and Starving. 93. My Chemical Romance, I'm Not Okay, I Promise. 94. Kanye West, Jesus Walks. 95. Kylie Minogue, Can't Get You Out of My Head. 96. The Black Keys, Tighten Up. 97. Phoenix, 1901. 98. Alves, Archie, Marry Me. 99. UGK feat. Outkast, Intel Players Anthem, I Choose You. 100. Daddy Yankee feat. Glory, Gasoline.